What's going on, everybody? Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold. My voice is kind of messed up, but I wanted to shoot a quick video just showing the price action on Litecoin. Okay, so Litecoin it's an altcoin. It would be, some people say it's comparable as it is, as gold has a relationship to silver. That gold being Bitcoin, and Litecoin would be comparable to silver. Now, it has all the same properties and principles as Bitcoin. There's a few minor differences, and it also has the lowest amount of transaction fee. Excuse me. But just look at this one-day pricing action on Litecoin. Just look at this. It has run up $73.19, 20 cents in 24 hours time. That's remarkable. Oh my gosh, it's remarkable. And again, I don't want to generate too much excitement. I don't want to get, but here's my suggestion, guys, is get involved. Get involved because, life is all about taking risks. And obviously don't mortgage the house and sell the farm and put all your money in Litecoin. That's not what I'm saying. But I am saying go out there and put a little bit of money in it. Take a little money and get involved with cryptocurrency. Here, I'll pull up the 1-year chart. Obviously, everybody's probably familiar with the 1-year run-up in Bitcoin and how it's up over $16,000, $17,000. And Ethereum was $8 a coin 1 year ago. It's run up 6,000%. And then, Litecoin too, very similar. It's up 6,000%. But this 1-day run up, would I buy right here? I don't really know the answer to that. I've told myself probably 50 or 100 times, like, don't buy. It's run up too high, and then it runs up more. And then, like a day later, I'm sitting here going, oh, I could have bought it $160 or $120 or 100 or 50 or 45, and I keep telling myself no. So, obviously, don't pull all your money out of the stock market, and don't sell everything you have, and don't quit your job, and don't do any of that stuff. But, get involved. Get involved. Take $50 or $100 that you have and, buy into some of this stuff. I just heard a couple of minutes ago that now Coinbase is the #1 downloaded app in the Apple Store worldwide. The #1 downloaded app. There is so much interest in cryptocurrencies, and this price action is remarkable. Let's look at the 1-hour chart here. The 1-hour chart, it's ran up $20 a coin in 1 hour. It's went up 10% in an hour. And this, like I said, this is very exciting. I lean more in the conservative direction. You probably know that from most of my stock picks. Is that yes, I do lean in the conservative direction, but I also believe very firmly on taking risk. That this is kind of like you have to look at this in the right frame of mind. Is that this is like playing a lottery ticket or pulling the lever at the casino. Okay, you might hit it big and you might lose everything. That's why I say just use a small chunk of money. Use what you can afford to lose to get involved, with the cryptocurrencies here. But, this price action is very, very exciting. It seems like it's mirroring, Bitcoin from a couple of days ago when it was at, Bitcoin had that big run right down here a week ago, and it was at $10,000, $11,000, and it jumped up to almost $17,000 in about a 48-hour time period. And now it's kind of hanging around, and we're not seeing a lot of big price swing in Bitcoin right at the moment. It got back down to 13,000. Now it's back up again. But it's sitting still. Bitcoin is kind of sitting still right now. Perhaps this would be a good time to buy a fraction of a coin. and buy $100, $200, $300, whatever you can afford to lose, you know, while it's sitting still. And trying to time this stuff almost seems impossible. It's very speculative. This is a high risk thing, you know. But I say get involved. I say do not miss the bus. I say get involved, guys. I say, you know, because this stuff is, you're not seeing price action like this in anything else. It's kind of like a new investor, how they look at penny stocks. When you see a penny stock go from 3 cents and it runs up to $20 a share, and that huge multiplying parabolic price action, and it generates all this excitement, and then you go and get involved and it crashes back down to zero or whatever, is that, you know, these coins are holding their value over the past 2 years now. You know, in the past 2 years, Bitcoin, Ethereum has, oh, look at the chart on this thing. But these coins have really held their value over the past 2 years, you know. And, you know, I say take a little risk. Get involved. It keeps life interesting. It keeps life fun. And investing should be fun. So, you know, you can't always be conservative. Sometimes in life you just have to go out there and get it. And this is one of those situations. I think get involved, you know. I think get involved. Definitely get involved. Thank you for watching my video, and have a great day.